G'day everyone, just a little tip for today. Don't ever try and screw or nail your sheets when there's a cavity slider there. Always pop it up. Don't try and nail them. The nails will hit the door. If you put screws in, the screws will hit the door. You'll be in trouble big time. For a start, you won't be able to open the door, and when you do eventually slide it open, you'll have a great big gouge. I don't know what happened to this door, but a similar thing has happened over the years. Something's happened. So yeah, never nail your sheet up when you've got a sliding door and cavity slider, people. It'll be the worst mistake you've made. Where's the nails? Big mistake. Use stud adhesive. And you're laughing. Yeah, that'll be all stuck nicely, because that polyurethane is damn good stuff. I'll carry on nailing this off. See you soon. That is the tip for today though. Never ever screw or nail your sheet up where the cavity slider is. See ya. Bye.